Cajun mushrooms and corn with tomato salsa. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 3 large mushrooms, add 1/4 cup of Cajun spices, and mix well. Cut the kernels off 2 cobs of corn, place the corn in a bowl. Finally, slice 1 red onion into crescents. Add the onion to the bowl with the corn. Grate the zest of 1 lime, add the lime zest to the mushrooms and the Cajun spices, and mix well. Heat a pan over a high heat. When the pan is hot, add the mushrooms. When the mushrooms are brown, turn them over. When brown on the other side, remove from the pan and set aside. Add a little water to deglaze the pan. Add the onion and the corn and fry for a minute. Add a little water. Add the mushrooms to the pan and stir well. Add a little more water and stir. Turn off the heat and let sit. Meanwhile, make the salsa. Dice 3 tomatoes. Finally dice the whites and the greens of 2 shallots. Cut the lime in half. Add the scallions and the tomatoes to the bowl. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and mix well. To serve, place the mushrooms on a plate. Then top with the salsa and serve.